This is a quick demonstration of the EasyLayouts Filter Module being used within YOOtheme. We can use it to filter articles from the content blog view, the featured articles view, as well as dynamic content directly within YOOtheme, which can be customized within YOOtheme. We can filter by text fields such as the title, looking for recipes with cakes in. We can filter by tag. We can search for allergens, but of course this time we want them to be a negative search, so we don't want items with mustard in and we don't want items with eggs in, and we get our results accordingly. We can be looking for certain recipes which have specific ingredients that we might have in our cupboard, such as eggs. And these are our recipes with eggs in. And we might be looking for easy recipes. Well, there's only the one easy recipe, so we might have to go for moderate ones instead. Are there any moderate ones suitable for vegans? Let's have a look. Yes, there's a tofu salad.